Hello guys, it's a part 2 because I accidentally did realize it was almost done, so guys, I'm gonna continue the series. OMG, I got her! I got, guys, I'm gonna show you them both. Yeah, I got them both. Yes, it was worth it. I got the human. Sorry if the rainbow thing is bothering you. I don't know what is that rainbow thing. Look what else. Wait. Oops. I checked, guys. There's nothing in. There's nothing in. Let me double check it. There's a secret one in there. But I don't know. Oops. Bro, I won't cut. I actually click on this. Why is it not cut here? Oh. Okay, let me check the other side. There's nothing. Oops. There's nothing here. Let's check the other side. Oops. Bro, why is it hard to cut? So it will cut here. It will, what? So that it will cut. Hold on. Huh? It will cut. Go. Bro, what? But there's nothing yet. Officially nothing. Wait. So where's the girl? I love the boba. It's so cute. It's so cute. Where's that one? And I love that girl too. She's so cute. So guys, that's the end of the series because yeah. So bye. I'll make another one in school.